Is your laptop slowing you down? Don't let tech troubles stop you. At Eastern Laptop Repair, we provide fast, expert solutions to get your device running like new. Laptops face issues like cracked screens, slow performance, or sudden shutdowns, but we've got the fix. Our experts diagnose and fix laptops with precision, offering screen replacements, speed boosts, and more. We've helped thousands, from students recovering projects to professionals with urgent repairs. Don't let laptop troubles hold you back. Get expert repairs with lasting results. Call us or visit us today.